In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the WP Travel Engine plugin checkout fields for 2025. Whether you're a travel agency looking to personalize your booking forms or simply want to enhance the options available to your clients, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to yourdomain.com, the admin. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your credentials and you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard, the control center of your entire website. Next, let's head over to the trip facts settings to make some changes. Navigate to WP Travel Engine, then go to Settings and click on Trip Facts. This area allows you to manage and create new checkable options that can be offered during the checkout process, making it particularly useful for listing add-ons or special requests travelers might have. Now, let's add a new trip fact. To do so, simply click on Add New. This will open up a form where you can fill in the details of your new option. Here, you'll need to enter a title for your new field. For this tutorial, we'll use baby seat as our example. It's a great way to offer an extra option to families traveling with small children who may require additional equipment. Then, choose whether this new option will be a text field or a checkbox. For something like a baby seat, a checkbox is typically the better choice because it allows users to easily select and deselect the option. Don't forget to click Save Changes. It's crucial to ensure that your changes are recorded, otherwise all your efforts might end up being in vain. After saving, go back to the Trips section to assign this new fact to a specific trip. Navigate to Trips and select All Trips. From there, you can edit any trip from the list. While editing the trip, scroll down to find the Trip Facts section. Here, you can enable or fill in the baby seat field as an option for this particular trip. This ensures that whenever somebody checks out this trip option on your website, they will see the choice to add a baby seat to their booking. Finish things off by clicking Update to save the changes you just made to the trip. This is another crucial step because it saves the new configuration in your database, making it visible on the front end of your site. Finally, visit your trip page to confirm that the baby seat option now appears in your trip details. This allows you to ensure that everything is functioning correctly and looks how you want it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully customized the checkout fields for your WP Travel Engine plugin, adding a new layer of personalization to your travel offerings. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Thank you for tuning in and happy customizing.